Well, welcome everybody to Module 1 of the Feng Shui Certificate course. And it is a certificate course and it is a practitioner's course. The whole theme of having 6 modules spaced out over the 7 months is that we can gradually build your confidence and knowledge base up for you to become a confident practitioner. And the curriculum is based on what we call classical Feng Shui, in the sense that this is the style and the intention of Feng Shui that's used by practitioners in China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. So it's called, we refer to it as classical Feng Shui in that sense, in the sense that the techniques and the Taoist philosophy that we're using, which is, animating all of this, is essentially, 5,000 to 6,000 years old. Taoism originated out of China, but there's other cultures, of course, that we would say were using Feng Shui and we're using an energetic understanding. I mean, Taoism translates as the way of nature, or the path of nature. And of course, indigenous cultures all over the world understood this very, very well. In one sense, they had no choice, because they had to live very, very close to the forces of nature. So they had to adapt, otherwise that was it, quite frankly. So, they had to really understand nature and the patterns of nature and adapt. And of course, when I say they had no choice, they had to use the natural materials that were around them, right? Now, we live in some very interesting times now. Since the Second World War, they're able to put tens of thousands. There's like over 7,000 legal chemicals in the food chain, let alone everything else, like in a building and a new car, etc. And of course, as modern people, we're starting to develop kind of serious schizophrenia. What I mean by that is we're really starting to get disconnected from nature and the patterns of nature. So this course is really a celebration of nature, recognizing her patterns again, her rhythms. It's a celebration of the cosmos. It's a celebration of the bigger picture. And then we focus that metaphysics and philosophical understanding into very practical things. Taoism is very practical. So the philosophical base we'll talk a little bit more about today, but of course out of Taoist philosophy we've had things like acupuncture, which examines the meridians of the body. I think that's us, isn't it? Or is it